Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Monday.com to streamline your marketing campaign planning. Whether you're organizing tasks, tracking progress, or collaborating with your team, this platform has everything you need to stay on top of your campaigns. Let's get started. Set up your campaign board. Log into Monday.com and create a new board. Name it after your campaign and customize the columns for tasks, deadlines, assignees, and statuses. Add and organize tasks. Break your campaign into smaller tasks, such as content creation, ad design, and analytics tracking, and add them to the board. Assign team members and set deadlines for each task to keep everything on schedule. Visualize your workflow. Use Monday.com's timeline view or calendar view to get an overview of your campaign. These tools help you spot bottlenecks and ensure every task aligns with your marketing timeline. Collaborate and track progress. Leverage the comments section and file attachments to facilitate team communication. Update task statuses, e.g., in progress, completed, to keep everyone informed about the campaign's progress. Analyze campaign performance. Use built-in dashboards to track metrics like task completion rates and team productivity. This helps you identify areas for improvement and ensures your campaigns are always optimized. Monday.com makes marketing campaign planning more efficient and collaborative. Have you used Monday.com for your campaigns? Let us know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips. See you in the next video.